So this is what it looks like in the box. It has 3 different voltage. It has 3.2, 3.7, and 4.1. You can find these on BrassKnucklesOG.com. So I just want to give a little overview of the box. So let me crack this out of the case real quick. So it came in like a little plastic case, but then it's in this box. Get it out of here real quick. How in the world do you get this out? Okay, there we go. So it has a little brass knuckles on the charger. This one's gold. It says it's 900 mAh, which is the maximum power. This thing is pretty cool looking. It's sleek. It feels a little bit light, honestly. Kind of feels like it could break, but who knows? It might be really durable. In comparison to the Kind pen that I also have, it's a lot bigger and fatter. Wow, that didn't work, but you can see this one's a lot tinier. So this is one of the more medium-sized pens. I'm gonna screw a cartridge into it real quick so I can show you guys what it looks like with a cartridge in it. So let me get this in there. That's what she said. Alright. So that's what she looks like with the cartridge in it. Feels pretty firm. You do 3 clicks to change the heat setting. So it goes from green to blue to red. But yeah, this thing is pretty cool looking. I know Brass Knuckles makes their own cartridges too, which are really good. But yeah, I just wanted to do a little unboxing review. If you're thinking about getting this pen, this is exactly what it looks like. This is what you're getting in the box. If you guys would do me a favor and like this video and check out some of my other reviews, I have a bunch of other pens that I've done reviews on and just a bunch of other products, so you should definitely check out my channel and subscribe. But I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Later.